Exercise 6.1 question number 5. In figure POQ is a line. Ray RO is perpendicular to line POQ. That means this angle and this complete angle. What we are given, first we will write given. We are given POQ is a line. OR is perpendicular to POQ. This means angle ROP is equal to 90 degree and angle ROQ is also equal to 90 degree. We have to prove now what we have to find. We have to prove this. To prove, we will write to prove angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Now in this question we will name some angles. We will name this angle as 1. Let this be angle 1. This is angle 3 and angle 2 according to the question as we did in the class. Right. So angle ROS is angle 1. Half of angle QOS is angle 1 plus angle 2. So we have not named this angle. It will remain QOS angle. Angle POS is angle 3. So this is angle 1. Half of angle QOS I have not changed because it consists of two angles and this is angle 3. This we have to prove. Now prove. How to prove this question? Now proof. We know that angle POR or angle ROP is how much? 90 degree. Angle POR is angle 1 plus angle 3. Angle 1 plus angle 3 will also be equal to 90 degree. Let this be equation 1. Also angle, now we'll do this angle QOS. QOS consists of two angles 1 and 2. So we'll write angle QOS is equals to angle 1 plus angle 2. Or we can write it like this, angle QOS minus angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle QOS minus angle 1. Now what is angle 2? Angle 2 is 90 degree. So at place of angle 2 I have written 90 degree. This is our equation 2. Now we were having these two equation. Angle 1 plus angle 3 is 90. Angle QOS minus angle 1 is equal to 90. As we see these two equations, both are equal to 90 degree. So from equation 1 and 2, angle 1 plus angle 3 is equals to angle QOS minus angle 1. This is angle 1. So take angle 1 to one side. Angle QOS. Take angle 3 to this side, angle 3. Angle 1 plus angle 1 means 2 times angle 1 is equals to angle QOS minus angle 3. Now angle 1, 2 when goes to this side becomes 1 by 2 and this will come in the bracket. Now what was angle 1? See in the equation, angle 1 was angle ROS or angle QOS. So we'll write angle 1 as angle QOS is ROS. It is ROS is half of angle QOS minus angle 3 is angle POS. So this we have to prove and this is proved. Just note in this question we named the angles. We named only the separate angles. We have not named this QOS angle. You can do by naming the complete angle also, but according to me this is the easiest way to do this question.